Good morning, guys. I want to tell you about the newest tool in my shed, HART's 40-volt, 15-inch brushless string trimmer. Since it's battery-powered, you won't get the vibration and noise that you expect from gas trimmers, making routine yard maintenance a lot more enjoyable. But you're not going to miss out on power. You see, this trimmer has a brushless motor which runs more efficiently, giving you more power, more runtime, and even a longer motor life. So whatever grass or weeds you throw at it, it'll take care of them like nobody's business. If you need more line, just give it a bump and you'll be right back to slicing and dicing. Now, when I'm choosing a tool for my yard, versatility matters, and this trimmer can cut one of three ways: fixed line for faster cutting, spiral line for bump feeding, or blade for thicker growth. That versatility goes a step further. It's attachment capable, which means the string trimmer head can be subbed out for a bunch of other tools like this saw. And get this, the included battery can power HART's entire 40-volt line of outdoor power equipment. Seriously, y'all, HART has stepped up their game. This trimmer means business. Get yours and all the attachments at Walmart.